Hello everyone, welcome to our video in which we will show in more detail the free transform options. As you can see, we have a single created document on which one rectangle is drawn. When we press Ctrl+T on the keyboard in the options bar, the free transform options appear. Control points exist around the edges of the rectangle and its sides. When you place the cursor on one of the control points, it changes it to an arrow. We can change to a square by sight by clicking with the left mouse button, and while holding the click move the cursor up-down. Note that as we change the shape, it also changes the values in the options bar change. As we are now changing the height, see how the H height field changes. When changing the width, the field W changes. Changing the dimensions diagonally, we influence the values in both fields. In order to maintain the proportions of the object, it is necessary to hold the Shift key on the keyboard with the click. When the mouse cursor is out of the shape, it turns into a small semi-rough icon with arrows on the end. We can then rotate the shape. When we rotate, the shape changes the field in the options bar next to which the angle is drawn. After the shape has transformed as you want, you need to accept the transformation by clicking on the heel. That is all for this time. Goodbye.